Hey, how are you doing? Welcome to Miss Tech Hack. Today in this video, I will be discussing about how literals work in Spring Framework. But before we go ahead, make sure to subscribe to Miss Tech Hack so you don't miss on any of our updates and latest videos. So let's get started. Now, what are literals? Literals in Java are the constant values, that is Boolean, numeric, character or string, that appear directly in the program. To understand how it is used, let's move to the implementation part. Inject literal values. Go to Indian food class and declare two string literal values, dish name and dish type. Now, right click, source, generate getters and setters, select all and click on generate. Open application context.xml and add literal values. Copy a bean tag and update the class to Indian food. Remove constructor argument. Instead, add a property tag for dish name and dish type with values as Pani Puri and Indian respectively. Go back to Indian food class. Replace return value of get daily food method to a new string combined with values from get dish name method and get dish type method. Go to Spring App 2 IOC class and change the call from get dish method to get daily food method. Now, if we run the application, we are getting an exception. Bean name food ID is already used. Under application context.xml file, let's update the bean IDs specific to its bean class in order to avoid any confusion. Also, update bean ID to Indian food ID under get bean method of Spring App 2 IOC class and update bean ID to Italian food ID under get bean method of Spring App constructor injection class. Now, if you run the application, you can see it prints dish name Pani Puri dish type Indian. But we have a problem here. The property values are hard-coded. To solve this issue, let's create a properties file. Right-click on the package and click on New, File. Enter file name as food.properties and click on Finish. Now, add the food name and type in properties file. Replace the hard-coded values with dynamic values by adding a dollar, curly braces, and the property name inside the braces. Save the file and run the application. Oops, we didn't got the property values from the property names provided. So let's fix that now. For now, we need to add the path for properties file under application context.xml file. Add a new tag context : property placeholder. With location as class path : food.properties. It's not able to find the declaration for context tag. Let's go up and check the schema. It says failed to read schema document. Okay, so we need to update the Spring context schema to version 4.1, that is Spring context 4.1. Save the file and run the application. You can see it prints the correct value: dish name Pani Puri, dish type Indian. So it has successfully read the values from the properties file using application context.xml. So we have seen what are literals and how it is used in Spring Framework. That's it for this video. I hope you find it useful. For any queries or concerns, write me down in the comment section. Thank you so much. Have a great day.